Hi all, welcome to RandomTechie. In this video, we are going to set up a working environment to run our JavaScripts. If you are familiar with Visual Studio Code Editor installation, then please skip the installation part video. Just a recap, we were discussed about few code editors in our previous video. You can watch my previous video to know more about editors. We are going to see how to install Visual Studio Code Editor in our desktop. Again, it is just for beginners. Good internet speed is preferable to download the software. Okay, let's see how to install Visual Studio Code Editor in Windows OS. Opening a Chrome browser. Type Visual Studio Code in search bar. Or you can directly go to code.visualstudio.com. Click Download Visual Studio Code from code.visualstudio.com. Visual Studio Code is available for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Downloading Windows version. Visual Code Editor is a lightweight but powerful source code editor which runs on your desktop. It comes with built-in support for JavaScript, TypeScript, and Node.js. For more about Visual Studio Code, there will be a separate section in the same site to explain about cool features of Visual Studio Code. Yes, it is downloading now. Once downloaded, you can execute the setup to install this software. There will be pop-up window where we can see the license agreement first. Read the agreement and click I accept the agreement check box to proceed further. Give next for installation folder path and give next and select options whatever is applicable for you and proceed next. Finally, click install button to install it on your desktop. It may take few seconds to complete the installation. Please make sure that you are using the compatible version in your desktop. Yes. We have installed Visual Studio Code now and it is launching now. Since it is first time, it will take few seconds to launch fully with default settings. By default, it will be dark mode. You can change your color theme by selecting themes in settings option. We have lot of cool features in this editor. We will cover those features during upcoming videos. Yes, we are ready with environment now to write our scripts. Happy coding! Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel for more updates. See you in next video.